Oh, hey, it's lovely to see you again. I know I've been away, kind of quiet. And that's a good thing because I've been working on a project hands-on and learning a lot of new things. We're redesigning a Chrome extension and that's been fun. A lot of things are already solved on the web, right? You've got an HTTP server, you've got the backend, you've got the front end, you've got a lot of frameworks that you can use. It's JavaScript usually in the front end and backend, and at least on the projects that are closest to me. You set up a CI/CD pipeline, you can deploy your changes easily because everything is under your control, right? Not so when it comes to the browser. It has a mind of its own. It has a web store. You submit things like you would a mobile application. It goes through a review process, so you cannot just deploy a fix whenever you want to change something, right? The next thing is you're manipulating the browser itself through the API that ships with the browser. And yes, you've got JavaScript and kind of a backend in the service worker, but it's quite different to what you would find on the web. So a lot of the same things that you would do don't apply inside the browser environment. It has its own quirks. And that's been quite difficult to navigate. And what I've been working on recently is end-to-end tests. How you can use Puppeteer to spawn a Chrome instance, load up the extension, and then click through the extension itself so that you can verify that it still works. And that's been proving difficult because it just doesn't want to play nice out of the box. Those tools are not really designed to test extensions. They're designed to test web pages. And there doesn't seem to be a nice uniform way of how to actually develop and test Chrome extensions. So that's been fun. I'm going to dive deeper into this topic in the coming weeks as I discover more information, and I can give you more of the tutorials of like how do you test with end-to-end testing of Chrome extensions and so on. Well, that's one thing. Second thing is, as you've noticed, the streams have been quiet for a while. Streams are coming back. And next week I want to talk to you about how to use AI when you are developing so that you can teach your team as well, and the whole team can adopt AI in their tooling. So we're going to talk about how to use GitHub Copilot efficiently inside VS Code, how you can use ChatGPT next to it, because for some things I found that ChatGPT works much better, even though it's not aware of your code base per se. But the GPT-4 model is way better when it comes to generating architecture itself. So I'm going to give you that next week on Friday. After the new year, though, there's some exciting changes coming to the live stream. So I'll still do my regular live streams, but I've also started inviting guests. So you will get to hear from other people in the industry, other CTOs, other professionals from the field that are close to startups that are in the tech ecosystem. So 2024 is going to be exciting. I look forward as you join me on this crazy journey, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So that's been kind of the wrap up. Let me check if there's something else that I want to talk about. No, that's it. Stay tuned for the stream. I'll see you next week, and yeah, let me know how your life is going, how your projects are going. Write it in the comments below what's been going on with you.